In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set affiliate rates in TikTok Shop. In order to do that, you first need to log into your TikTok Shop Seller Center. Once you're in there, you just need to head over to your affiliate center by clicking on this affiliate option. Now in here, you can see the TikTok Shop affiliate page, so just wait over right here to open it. Now click on this go to open collaboration, and then this will open your affiliate center. So you just need to click on turn right here by operating samples as well. Now you can see right here these options wherein you can work with creators. So in order to set your affiliate rate, next thing you need to do is just input right here the standard commission rate. Click on this pencil icon right here and then make sure to change it into the percentage that you're actually comfortable with. So if you're comfortable with only offering around 5%, input that right here, set it. If shop ads are actually available, set it that as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.